This right here, it's the king of chairs. It's the king of gaming chairs. #1 gaming chair so far. Here's why. It's got a fan in it. It's got a heater in it. It's got massage. Actually usable lumbar support, and it's got a leg rest. It's got a bunch of stuff. It's actually a super nice chair. It's one of the nicest chairs we've ever reviewed. All the controls are right here. It's got a bunch of electronic controls. Take a look at that. And then of course you can plug it into the wall, but right now I have it plugged into the battery. We're fully wireless and we still have all of our electronic capabilities. Anyway, so that's a little bit about the chair. We're gonna go ahead and head into the unboxing and see how easy or hard it was to put together. I'll see you there. Okay, it says, "Hi AutoFull followers." They must really care about their social media. Wow. Okay, look at that bad boy in there. Esports chair. Literally says esports chair. That's right. This chair gives you maximum gaming skill. The second you touch this chair, you instantly become an esporter. It says invitation of AutoFull. And then there's the instructions. Looks not too bad. Now let's get into the goodies. You know this thing's gonna be high class, because it's got massage in it. Whoa! Oh, shit. This looks fancy as hell. It's like gold. Gold. You guys watch Austin Powers? All I think about when I hear the word gold is Austin Powers.
I love gold!
I'm genuinely impressed. Look at that. Just wait till I get the plastic off. Whoa. Look at that bad boy. Yo, this thing is so nice. You know what this reminds me of? My old Mustang had this because it had air conditioning in the seats. There's heat in this bad boy. Did I tell you that already? Heat. And this is the back of the back. And wanna know the best part? It literally has like a little pouch back here with a hole too, so you can like put like a portable battery right here. Like I don't know what you put in there. Whatever you want, dude. It's your chair, bro. That's cool though. You could like put your paperwork in there, man. You can put your stuff in there, man. Like an actual car seat, you know? That's nice. AutoFull esports chair. Oh, and it's embroidered. Oh. What is going on in there? I don't know what that is, but there's power in it. We got some plastic covers. We got some more plastic covers to cover all the mechanisms and stuff so you don't get your finger caught in there. How thoughtful. Everything packed away, everything like packed in nice and like unboxing experience. Like look at that. That's nice. Old men like me appreciate when things are tidy and in order. Oh, what is in this box and why is it so heavy? What are you? Okay, and last but not least, we have the seat, which is lighter than the rest, but also has the Mustang material. Yes. Okay, look at that. Dude, look at the controls. What is this? Is this even a gaming chair anymore? Wait, there's a fan in it too? It's not just heat, it's cooling. Oh, yeah, this is full on Mustang seat. They just had extras. I knew it. I knew AutoFull was Ford this whole time in disguise. For illegal reasons, I'm kidding. Just my only reference point for this. The only time I've seen it. But I know other cars and stuff do it too. But like, who decided, like how much you pay for a car for that sitting experience? How much does a Mustang cost? $25,000, you know? Or you can just get one of these. Think about it. Shake hand, make deal. Basically the same thing. If you're going down a steep enough hill. Thoughts? I don't know what's going on anymore. All I know is I'll be right back after all this trash is gone. See you in a second. This is the connector for the wheelbase. We have the mechanism. Connectors. Connect the back to the seat. Here's the e-brake for the recline adjustment, but I like to call it the e-brake. Wheels, and yes sir, we do got rims. Let's go. Every racing seat has to have rims. It's minimum requirement. And we have the armrest. Ooh, that's mega fancy. Look at that. That's shiny as heck. Let's go ahead and build the wheelbase. Slot that on all the way. Next up, we're gonna stick on the shock mount, baby. Okay. All right, what's next? Okay, we're almost to greatness. We just have a few more threads You guys may have to look away for this one because at some point in this video, I may or may not bring out the drill. Depends on how I feel. Right now, I'm thinking I can do it by hand, but you never know, man. Halfway through, sometimes I'll be getting tired. Okay, now we'll do the other side. And then I put the little hubcap on it. That's on there. She ain't going nowhere. Looks like these are also adjustable, so depending on like your needs, there's like slots. So if you want the armrest to be more like out, then you can tighten it here, but we're gonna tighten it. Boom. Now we're gonna put this onto the wheels. Boom. That's on there, baby. Give it one good smack for approval. We're pretty much almost done. We just have to connect the back. Okay, now you're just gonna slot that right on there, like so. Boom. And now we're fully protected. Our fingies protected. And now all you have left, looks like, is a pretty long USB-A cord, which you can plug into a block. Mr. Fully Assembled AutoFull. I've never sat in an AutoFull chair in my entire life, so let's try it out. Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah, baby. That's the racing chair experience. Oh, it's just hugging everything. It's so wide. Just whip the e-brake real quick. Oh, this is nice. What can the armrests do? They can like do some of that. They can like do some of that. Oh, I can do this independently. Okay. It's got a lot of different adjustments so you can get just the right angle. Like that would be nice. This is a bit much, but maybe if you're like lean back playing a game. All right, so that's the armrest. A lot of different stuff. It can also go back and forward. Pretty much anything you could think of it can do. What does this do? That's the spring. I mean the shock. All right. Okay. And then this flip up and then out. Well, that doesn't look like it's bending or anything. Hey, that's pretty solid. Sometimes when I do this, it just kind of like, you know, but hey, that's good. Reinforce, strong. It's so squishy, look at it. You can just, oh yeah, that's a good one. It's not too thick. The thing that I hate about magnetic headrests, usually they're too thick. So I end up like this, because this thing is double the thickness, but this is a good thickness. That's nice. And it definitely goes up high enough for me being a tall person. Last but not least, I guess, the moment you've all secretly been waiting for, the electronics. Okay, there's 3 different modes for massage. Oh, all right, massage felt kind of nice. Like low key, I'm not usually a big fan of massage, but when it's just like a little vibrate, I don't mind it. Okay, yeah, there's also a butt massager, and there's 3 modes for the butt massager. Cool. What is this? Heat. What's the starting temp? 89 degrees. Something's happening here. I'm feeling some warmth there. There's heat there. 93 degrees. It's on max heat, so she's going. Still on. 95. She's toasty. All right, I'm gonna turn that off because it's not very cold in here, so we don't need that right now. But there's 3 different heating modes. We had it on max mode, but if you just want a little bit of warmth, maybe, you know, because it's a leather seat, you don't want to just sit down and it be cold, especially in the winter time when you walk into the office for the first time. So maybe you come in 15 minutes early, turn this bad boy on, and then you get yourself a nice little heated seat. Yeah, that's warm, all right. My butt is very warm, and that's not my body heat. Now that it's hot, let's turn the cooler on. I hear it is on full blast. Okay, it was at 95, 82. Let's go, dude. That's nice. You hear that fan going? Oh, you can just feel that. It's like an air hockey table. I want to show you guys at least that this air is moving. We got this tissue. Let's try it. It's going. It's going. It's moving. Whoa. Is it just lifting off? It's just in the air, look. It's defying gravity, look at it. Air hockey table for the win. One last look at the temp. 78.4. Remember how it was 90 degrees a minute ago? That's right. No more sweating. There's no reason for this to be in a chair. I love it so much though. That's just the back, but you can do a bunch of stuff at once. And just to prove that it is indeed vibrating the butt. Okay, so that was the M6 Ultra 2.0 gaming chair from AutoFull. This thing is out of this world. I don't even know what to say. Like, it's got a fan on it. That's the best part. I mean, who needs a heater? You know, it's whatever. Pretty hot where I live, so I rarely need a heater, but it's nice to just have it. It's got the nicest headrests, like one of the comfiest headrests I've ever tried out. I mean, the armrests are extremely well thought out, you know, to like give me kind of exactly what I was looking for in an armrest for a while. It's a racing chair, it's a gaming chair, but it's also ergonomic. It's got the lumbar support that automatically moves and stuff. So you can kind of click out like this and lock in if you want. And it moves up and down automatically, but then you can click it out to get a little bit more in case you want to be like this and you need more support. And it's actually a tall lumbar support. It actually supports your lumbar. It's not this little log that's like this. Like if you hate typical lumbar supports, but you always wanted like an ergonomic chair, this would be the one to try. This is like the king of chairs. I literally can't find anything to complain about. It's just nice. Because the one thing I would complain about is that it's leather, but they took that away from me because it has a fan in it. They even put the rims on it, which is something that I randomly complained about, that it doesn't have rims, and they're like, you know what? Rims. I don't know what else to say. I just really like this chair. It's really good. AutoFull. I like the design on the back too. It's embroidered. And this part especially, this part, I love this color right here. This one. It's just nice. I don't know what it is, but it just feels nice and high quality. It feels like a very well built, very well thought out and engineered chair. I just really like it. But yeah, I had an absolute blast trying out this AutoFull chair. It's one of the coolest chairs I've had the chance to review. I definitely highly recommend, if it's within your budget, to check it out, because not gonna lie, this might be the best like leather chair, straight up, like gaming chair. I don't know, even with just the fan alone it would have been great, but they added a bunch of extra stuff too. Smash like, subscribe, click link in description, or if you just want to check out one of their more budget options, they have a bunch of different chairs on their website you can check out. And that's pretty much it. I hope to see you in the next tech review or chair review. I'll review anything, I don't care. Noodle Nick out.